Sustainable heating for building premises using solar energy. This study highlights how solar thermal systems can significantly reduce energy use for heating in buildings. The focus is on an office building located in the hills of Algiers, where solar collectors installed on the terrace heat water, which is then stored in a tank and distributed to warm the offices. The heating needs of the building were calculated, requiring 2,754 kilowatt-hours per year. To meet this demand, a solar thermal system with 10 square meters of collectors and a 500-liter storage tank was installed. Simulations using TRNSYS software showed that in June, the system provides 500 kJh of energy, enough to fully cover heating needs 100%. During summer, when heating isn't required, the excess solar energy is used to produce hot water for other building needs. This approach demonstrates that solar thermal systems are an effective way to cut energy costs while maintaining comfortable indoor temperatures. By using free and renewable sunlight, buildings can reduce reliance on conventional energy sources, saving money and lowering environmental impact. The results prove that such systems work well in sunny regions like Algiers, offering a practical solution for sustainable heating and hot water. Introduction. The world's growing energy demand is putting pressure on resources and harming the environment through pollution, climate change, and global warming. Buildings, including homes and offices, consume a huge amount of energy, up to 40% in some countries, even more than industries and transportation. As populations rise and people expect more comfort, energy use in buildings will keep increasing. This makes improving energy efficiency in buildings a top priority worldwide. In Algeria, buildings account for 43% of energy use, mainly due to heating and cooling systems. To tackle this, better energy-saving solutions are needed. Luckily, Algeria has great potential for solar energy, receiving strong sunlight for most of the year. This makes solar power a smart choice for heating buildings, especially offices. Several studies have explored ways to cut energy use in hot climates. Some tested reflective and thermochromic coatings on roofs, while others found that double-layered roofs with special coatings can reduce cooling costs by up to 80%. Urban design also plays a role. Open, low-density areas work best for solar energy. Another study showed that cool, ventilated roofs can lower indoor temperatures by nearly 5 degrees Celsius. This study focuses on using solar energy to heat office buildings in Algeria. A real-world case in Bouzeria, near Algiers, examines a solar heating system with rooftop collectors, a water storage tank, and radiators. Before installation, computer simulations help determine the right system size for maximum efficiency. By using solar power, this approach aims to reduce energy costs while keeping buildings comfortable in Algeria's warm climate. Conclusion. Algeria's sunny climate makes it perfect for solar energy, with strong sunlight reach ing to 400 kJh.m superscript 2. Using solar systems helps save energy and protect the environment. In office buildings, heating demand can be high, up to 747.8 kilowatt-hours, but solar thermal collectors prove highly efficient. Just 10 square meters of panels can heat a 275 cubic meters space, even when outdoor temperatures drop near freezing. By combining passive design, like good insulation, with active solar heating, buildings stay comfortable while cutting energy costs. This system works so well that it could be copied in other institutions, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering emissions. With plenty of sunshine year-round, solar thermal technology is a smart, sustainable solution for Algeria's energy needs, helping the country move toward energy independence and a greener future. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.